A greenfield site is undeveloped land that has not been previously built on. This offers a blank canvas for construction and development. Investors and developers find these sites attractive due to fewer restrictions compared to brownfield sites. Greenfield sites provide opportunities for innovative urban planning and sustainable development. However, they also pose challenges, such as the potential disruption of local ecosystems and the need for new infrastructure. Environmental considerations are crucial to ensure that development is sustainable and minimizes ecological impact. The main advantage of greenfield sites is the flexibility they offer in design and planning. Developers can create modern, efficient, and environmentally friendly spaces from scratch. On the other hand, the primary challenge is balancing development with environmental preservation. Understanding the differences between greenfield and brownfield sites is essential for making informed decisions in construction and urban planning. Greenfield sites represent potential and opportunity, but they require careful planning to ensure sustainable growth and minimal environmental impact.